This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring the party area and choosing the net that fits. This ensures coverage and avoids surprises. Once measured, locate 2-4 sturdy anchor points such as beams, posts, or nearby trees and mark attachment heights so the net hangs evenly. Make sure you have hooks, carabiners, or heavy-duty zip ties rated for the load. Use a ladder safely to mark points. By beginning with accurate measurements and secure anchor selection, you reduce rework and set a solid foundation for the next steps. Now you attach the net progressively to maintain control and shape. Start by installing hooks or eye bolts at your marked points. Pre-drill into wood or use wall anchors for drywall. Clip net corners with carabiners or heavy zip ties, but leave one corner a bit slack so you can adjust tension. Once corners are mounted, add intermediate ties or bungee cords every 0.51 to prevent sagging and sculpt the net into the desired drape. This staged approach keeps alignment and lets you fine-tune symmetry. Finish by inspecting all connections and testing stability for 5-10 minutes while gently pulling different sections. This proves the net will hold during the event. Make cosmetic adjustments. Hide fasteners, trim excess ties, and attach lights or garlands with clips to avoid damaging anchors. If you notice sagging, retension the center lines or add a middle anchor point to lift the drape. If a hook pulls out, replace it with a longer bolt or move to a stud. These steps ensure safety and a polished look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.